Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a pretty good day today. The Dow kind of didn't do too much. You can see here it opened higher, and that got us into uh, a bunch of positions, which for the most part turned out to be crappy positions. But this higher open did help us with what we had coming in. We had, I think, we had 9 positions, and and I think, yeah, we had like $6,000 open trade equity from those 9 positions coming in. Well, because of this higher open, that equity jumped, and we ended up getting out of 8 of those 9 positions with over $21,000 in closed out profits. That was really good. So we went from 6,000 to 21,000 on our exits. That was pretty good. But as I say, we got into some kind of crappy stuff here. So what does it look like? We were holding 16 positions tonight. Um, 15 are new, and one was a holdover, and 6 of those are positive, 10 are negative, and we are holding negative $690. So basically break even on what we got into today, but we certainly did very nicely with those exits, and I'm not complaining about that at all. The Dow pulled back here at the end and officially closed up 39 points. So not any real significant movement there on the Dow. I'll show you 3 of our stocks today. Might help explain a little more what was going on. Um, this first one, this is one that we got into today. This is BYND, which is Beyond Meat. I think they make fake hamburgers or something like that. And that's a little cynical. But I think it's meat substitutes that that company is involved with. And we bought this today as soon as we could. It kept going, closed near its high there, and we're holding $5,200 in open trade in Beyond Meat. And then this was another good trade that we actually exited this trade today. We entered this yesterday midday and got out today. We were actually stopped out with profits there. Neither our entry or our exit looks very good on this, but we took $7,400 out of Inovio Pharmaceuticals, INO. So that was a good one. And then I'll show you our holdover here. And without this, we would have probably not had very good showing for our open trade equity today. But this is WTI. That's W&T Offshore Incorporated. I don't think I've shown you this before. W&T Offshore Incorporated, WTI, and we had bought this yesterday. It did close profitably yesterday, but really took off this morning. That kept us into the trade, backed off some, but even with that back off, we're still holding $7,100 in open trade in W&T Offshore Incorporated. So all around, pretty good day if we don't get hammered by some surprise tomorrow. Yeah, it's really looking good for this month so far. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.